Welcome to ClearTask. Today, we are going to show you how to correctly connect shapes with arrows in Microsoft Word, so the arrows stay attached even when you move the shapes. Let's get right into it. First, open your Microsoft Word document. The secret to making shapes connect dynamically is using a drawing canvas. Go to the Insert tab at the top of your screen. Click on Shapes and then scroll all the way down to the bottom of the drop-down menu and click on New Drawing Canvas. A bordered canvas box will appear on your page. Now, let's add our shapes inside this canvas. Go back to the Insert tab, click Shapes, and choose a rectangle. Draw it inside the canvas area. You can easily change the fill or outline color from the Shape Format tab at the top. Next, add a second shape using the exact same method and place it a short distance away from the first one. Here is how you actually connect them. Go to Insert, then Shapes, and select the line arrow tool. Now, hover your mouse pointer over your first shape. You will notice small connection dots appear on its edges. Click and hold on one of these dots, then drag your arrow over to the second shape. Small connection dots will appear on the second shape as well. Release your mouse button on one of those dots to lock the connection in place. That is it. Your shapes are now perfectly connected. If you drag either shape around the canvas, the arrow will automatically move and stretch to stay attached. To customize your arrow, just click to select it and use the Shape Outline menu at the top to change its color, thickness, or style. If you found this tutorial helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more quick, direct, and professional software guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.